Bye-bye, electricity. Yeah. Is this something we should be worried about?
No.
Oh, yeah. I told you, but no one wanted to listen to me. Nah.
I have a feeling something's gonna blow.
Shit!
Oh, I saw that shit. That's crazy.
Bitch, I recorded that.
Oh, God. Hey, well, there's no.
Shit! Bitch, you haven't pointed at me.
Fuck, man.
Oh!
Oh,
Hey, I wanna get closer.
hell no.
I think. Ah!
Get out of the way, get out of the way.
Ese cable se puede reventar y pega hasta acá.
Oh, yeah.
I kinda wanna use the card.
Háblale a la luz. A la luz.
I don't got my phone.
Ahí, dile que te preste un bill de ahí.
Yeah. ¿Este lo agarró todo? ¿Este lo agarró todo?
Not the second one. I got the first and the third one. The second one, I was running. I was running from
I
this.
wanna see the video.
Hey, didn't it have a tank there? Huh? Or was that, what did it explode?
Near the
No,
wire.
it's just the transformers right there. Okay.
Call the cops. Policemen. Firefighters.
Nobody wanted to hear me. I was like, I hear electricity, but nobody's like.
Okay. I was so getting bigger. I was like, oh, I saw it.
I felt the heat on the first
Yeah,
one.
so I shouldn't have had this when
I
I
felt
come
it.
over here.
No, for real, they'll like it. They'll like it. But like, hey, y'all guys, we're shooting at it. Looks like you're going to jail. I'm not old enough.
That shit was crazy.
Oh, there.
It's still on. Obviously they went out. I mean, they didn't see it.
Do you see that guy? Did you see the guy driving by slow? It was like, he's like, damn. This kid's
I
got.
wanna see the video. I was like, I think something's about to blow.
Nah, dude.
I only got the first and the third one. The second one, I was running away.
They didn't get me.
Me and Chocho were coming, and then you just see like a big old fire. I'm like,
Watch
I
that
was
bird,
dug-
watch
I
that
was about
bird.
to dug.
Well, watch that bird. Tres. Autofocus.
Hey, now we gotta tell him. We'll prove it to him right here.
Oh, it like got all blurry. Oh.
Let me see the video. I want to see the video.
No, wait. I don't think there's anything more that's gonna go on.